I'll be in and out with a bit of voiceover here and there, but this is a Snake's Pass run in a 2 litre 16 valve Renault 5. This is the first set of lights coming from the Glossop side, heading towards Sheffield. Just after this set of lights, there's a really poor section of road. You'll see me going to the opposite side. I could see that there was no traffic going, but I didn't want to end up in the 6-7 inch potholes that are there. Where we're coming up to at the moment, there's a really bad section of road, not for potholes wise but bump wise, and the camber is on the opposite side. So as you hit this first bounce and a second bounce, if you're coming at some speed, it can really shake the car about and be quite dangerous really. After this bend, we catch up with traffic. Now I'm not far off the second set of lights on Snake's Pass, so all I did was follow traffic up to them nice and slow, let them go through the lights. I waited until it changed another time, and then I set back off. you then can't back up to that section of traffic yet again. So that was the early morning Snakes Pass run. There was a little bit of traffic here and there. I tried to do my best to distance myself from them. I don't really want to be overtaking them on such a twisty road, especially when the weather's bad, because a lot of people aren't the most confident drivers. But I mean, let me show you where we're at right now. This place is beautiful. One of my local roads, probably 20-30 minutes from me. And it's, I'd have to put up on screen how many miles long it is, but check this shit out. I'm hoping I give you enough pointers along the way of what to watch out for, where to slow down because of certain bumps, especially in a stiff car like this. There's no point nailing it all the way across Snakes Pass because you'll only end up damaging the car. So like I said, hopefully I've given you some advice for when running it. Like I said, I've come from the Glossop side heading towards Sheffield, so hopefully you can do the same. I'd love to see other people's videos out there of sending it across Snakes Pass, but make sure you are safe. Like I said, drive within your limits. You'll notice that I was letting off from traffic, letting them get a big distance between and waiting at set of lights, because otherwise you end up overtaking on dodgy corners, dodgy straights, and it's just not worth it. I'm going to carry on up to Sheffield, but I'll see you in the next one.